Hello, in this video we are going to take a look at how do I graph a line given the equation in slope-intercept form. The equation of a line can be in two forms. The first form is the standard form, ax plus by is equal to c, and another useful form is the slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b, and in this equation m stands for the slope and b stands for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is sometimes also called the vertical intercept. So how do we graph a line given the equation in slope-intercept form? So the first step is to plot the y-intercept. We take a look at some examples as we go along. The second step then is to use the slope to plot one or more points. And step 3 is to join the plotted points with a straight line. So let's see how these steps are carried out in an example. So we want to draw the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 1. So here, first thing that we notice is that the slope m is equal to 2. So we are going to compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus b. And when you make the comparison, you can see that the slope is equal to 2. And then the second thing you can see is that the y-intercept is equal to 1. So that's the first thing that we need to figure out. So b is equal to 1. So because b is equal to 1, we are going to take this and go to the y-axis, and we find the point on the y-axis where y is equal to 1. Now a slope of 2 means that we go 1 unit to the right. So that's 1. So when we say slope is equal to 2, we can also write this as 2 over 1. So we go 1 unit to the right, and then we go 2 units up. So there we find our second point. Now if you want to find more points, you can do the same thing. Again, you can go 1 unit to the right, and then you can go 2 units up, and you can find that point. Now that we have those points, the next thing to do is to simply join those points through a straight line. So there's the straight line, and that's the graph of the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. Second example, we want to draw the graph of y is equal to negative 3x plus 2. Again, first thing is we compare this equation with the equation y is equal to mx plus b, and what we see there is that m is equal to negative 3 and b is equal to 2. So we write this down here. M is equal to negative 3, and you can write that as negative 3 over 1, and b is equal to 2. So first thing we do is we find the point on the y-axis where y is equal to 2. So there's my point. Now since the slope is negative 3, from that point I will go 1 unit to the right, and then negative slope means that I will go 3 units down. So that's 1, 2, and 3 units down. So that's my next point. If you want to get another point, same thing, go 1 unit to the right, and then go 1, 2, 3 units down. So that's another point. And once you have a few points, all you need is actually 2 points, but if you want to plot more points, that's fine as well. So now we want to just join these points through a straight line. So there's the line for y is equal to negative 3x plus 2. Next example says draw the graph of y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2. Again, comparing it with y is equal to mx plus b, we see that m is equal to 2 over 3. So the slope is 2 over 3, and b is equal to negative 2. So start with the point on the y-axis where y is equal to negative 2. So there's the point. Now the slope is 2 over 3. What that means is you would go 3 units to the right, and then you would go 2 units up. So from here, we go 3 units to the right. That's 1, 2, and 3 units to the right. And then we go 2 units up. So we go up 1 unit, and then we go up another unit, and that's the second point. And then you can do the same thing to find another point if you want to, but 2 points are actually enough to draw the line. So 3 points to the right, and then 2 points up, and that gives us this point right here. And the next step is simply join those points through a straight line. So there's a straight line that goes through those points. Now we want to draw the graph of y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 1. So again, we have our slope is equal to 3 over 4, and the value of b, the y-intercept, is equal to 1. So start with the point where y is equal to 1 on the y-axis. So there's my point. And then the slope is 3 over 4, so go 4 units to the right and go 3 units up. So we go from here 4 units to the right, and then we go 3 units up from there. So there would be a second point. And once you have the 2 points, just join those 2 points with a straight line. So there's the straight line. That's the line for the equation y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 1. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you would like to receive more videos of this kind. And again, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.